Hello and welcome to this video. During this video, you will complete Section 4 of the pardon application. Please retrieve your Section 4 form, your official court documents, and out-of-state traffic citations if this is applicable. So without further ado, let's get started. One of the first things you need to do is make sure that you read all of the information contained under the Section 4 Additional Criminal Information and Driver History section. Now in this section, you're going to provide information regarding juvenile charges such as adjudication of delinquency charges or charges that resulted in a consent decree. In regard to adult charges, you're going to list adult charges that will not be included in your pardon application. Please do not include charges that you received expungement for. And then lastly, traffic citations, you're only going to list out-of-state traffic citations. Anything that happened inside of Pennsylvania, please do not complete this section of the application. In order to give you somewhat of an idea as to what type of information goes inside of Section 4, I'm going to try to give you a few scenarios. Maybe a couple scenarios would probably be best. So I've read the information in the shaded section under Section 4 and it applies to me. So I will select yes. The date of the incident was 8/10/1995. The county and state was York, PA. The offense is simple assault. I was adjudicated. The disposition was probation, fines and costs. Now under adult charges, the date of the incident was 6/8/2008. It was a state charge. The state was Pennsylvania. The offense, harassment. The disposition, probation, fines and costs. Now under traffic citation / ticket, citation is July 10th, 2008. The state, Maryland. The offense is exceeding maximum speed. The disposition, 1 point / fines or something like that. If this example were true and I was done completing Section 4, I would leave this box unchecked and proceed to Section 5. Now in this second scenario, and for the sake of this tutorial, I read the shaded information in Section 4 and none of the information below applies to me. So I will select no and proceed to Section 5. But before you proceed to Section 5, make sure you review all of the information in Section 4. So as I wrap up this video, please make sure you take your time completing the pardon application. Also, make sure you subscribe. Thank you and good luck.